this flight, we take off in Williams Cessna Cardinal from Apopka, VFR to the south, with the intention of flying as far along the Floridian coast as we wanted to. We ended up at Fort Lauderdale Executive to go see the Banyan pilot shop. We encountered a few issues along the flight, including unexpected weather, causing us to get a pop-up eye for our flight plan. I ended up shooting up the RNAV-27 at Fort Lauderdale. Overall, it was a great flight with good people. We hope you enjoy the ride.
Pre-takeoff checklist flaps.
Yep.
10 to 15. Mixture.
Full.
Prop.
High.
Carpet.
Off.
Transponder. Altitude. Squawking.
Yep.
Okay. Heading bug.
Good call. Heading bug is... I'm not on the right screen. That's what it is. 132.
That is your desired track. Yep.
Apopka traffic. White Cessna Cardinal 1183 Charlie is taking the full runway for takeoff, runway 33. We should be out of your way by the time you get here, Apopka.
Oh, that's a Hawk XP. That's cool. One of those modified ones.
That's the one I used to build hours with.
Really?
Yeah, really fun plane.
Takeoff briefing, please.
Alright, so if we're going to look for airspeed alive, we're going to rotate at 52. If the airspeed's not alive by about halfway down the runway, I'm going to kill the engine. It looks like about halfway down the runway is about 5 rows of hangars, so help me count. You don't hear me call it airspeed alive. And then if the engine dies before 1,000 feet, I'm going to rotate at most 30 degrees left or right, land mostly straight ahead.
Skyhawk 727 Foxtrot Hotel, left base, runway 33, Apopka.
Apopka traffic. White Cessna Cardinal 1183 Charlie is on the takeoff roll, runway 33, Apopka. Airspeed's alive, so we're good.
Yeah, and I'll call halfway, just in case.
Okay. And rotate. Brakes. Positive rate, gear up. Obstacles clear, flaps up.
Yep, looking good.
Cow flaps closed.
That traffic's on base, so they're no factor.
Alright. Apopka traffic, Cardinal 1183 Charlie, turning left, crosswind, runway 33, Apopka. Apopka traffic, Cardinal 1183 Charlie, turning left downwind, departing on the downwind, runway 33, Apopka. Downwind from runway 33, we're at 1200 for 3000. Switch over to Orlando approach. Good day. Orlando approach, White Cessna Cardinal 1183 Charlie.
Number 1183 Charlie,
Orlando approach 1183 Charlie is about 2 miles just south of Apopka, looking for VFR flight following along the east coast down to Fort Lauderdale through the Bravo.
1183 Charlie, squawk 0353.
0353 for 1183 Charlie.
Bridge 992 heavy, descend and maintain 2000. 2000, bridge 992. Number 1183 Charlie, radar contact 2 miles south of the Apopka Airport, say altitude.
We're at 2000, we're looking for 3500 if possible.
Number 1183 Charlie, roger for now, maintain VFR 2500, clear to the Bravo, fly heading 090.
2,500 and through the Bravo, 1183 Charlie, thank you. I've never been anywhere but 2,500 and 3,000 through the Bravo, I think. They're always like...
Have you flown this Cardinal to MCO before?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's the only plane I've flown to MCO.
Okay.
I did it with Jermaine. We can do it again. I loved it. That's the day they yelled at us because we didn't tell them that we were doing, that we weren't going to do a full stop.
Oh, okay.
We had filed, but we didn't file a next destination. We didn't file, hey, I'm going back, whatever. And so they made a bunch of assumptions. We told the tower, hey, we're gonna go, and they were cool with it. But then when we got back to approach was like, not screaming, but they were getting onto us.
Okay.
That's
UCF.
Yeah.
We're flying right towards these towers.
Yeah, it's making me a little uncomfortable. I mean, they're at...
Number 211 November
The
Juliet.
highest one is at 1749.
Please, trying to get your mode C. 1183 Charlie, were you assigned a heading?
We were assigned 090.
Alright, 3 Charlie, roger. Altitude is your discretion, and I'll have on course for you shortly. Just maintain VFR outside the Bravo now.
We'll maintain VFR outside the Bravo, altitude my discretion, 1183 Charlie.
The Bravo shelf right now is at 3,000, so I guess you could climb 29 if you want.
211 November Juliet.
Alright, be careful of your altitude because we're still in the 3,000 shelf. But we're about to approach the 6,000 shelf. So do you want to go to 55?
Heading 330.
330, Papa.
Direct. 148.
Number 211 November Juliet, VFR climb to 4,000 approved.
Yeah.
Number 211 November Juliet, VFR climb to 4,000 approved, and just report when you're level.
Could you imagine, like, one day Gordon Ramsay is sitting right seat in the DA50 RG, and he's like getting therapy from Yotam's wife? Like, how?
I think he needs anger management more than therapy, though. I love him, though.
Oh, he's so great.
I think his anger goes away when he's like doing mise en place, like cutting vegetables and stuff.
Yeah, it's like therapy.
chopping.
That is his therapy, is chopping. Palm Beach approach, November 1183 Charlie.
Number 1183 Charlie, Palm Beach.
Hello, November 1183 Charlie is about 12 miles south of Melbourne, looking for a pop-up IFR clearance to Foxtrot X-Ray Echo. We're at 5,500. We have 3 souls on board.
1183 Charlie is ready to contact 4 miles northeast of the X-Ray 26 airport, and you're clear to the Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport via direct Pahokee. That's Papa Hotel Kilo, and then direct. It's going to maintain 4,000.
You want me to do it?
I got it. 1183 Charlie, position correct, cleared to Papa Hotel Kilo, then on to Foxtrot X-Ray Echo at 4,000, 1183 Charlie.
83 Charlie, read back is correct. Barrel beat altimeter 3009.
3009 on the altimeter, thank you, 83 Charlie.
Do you guys know what the NASA report is?
No.
Yeah, it's like the ones you file when something is wrong, but you don't have an accident.
If you had a close proximity with another aircraft, or like you got into airspace or something like that, that's your get out of jail ticket basically. They give you once every 5 years. If you filed that before you got any notification from the FAA, the FAA is not allowed to give you any legal action, so they're not allowed to take your pilot license or anything like that.
Oh, okay.
Which is insane. It's amazing, but
Thank you. Expect the visual approach
crazy.
runway 5.
Yeah, but if you're willing to increase the safety of flight for everyone,
That's exactly why they're doing it, because they want you to be able to file a NASA report for everything.
Alright, my controls officially.
Your controls
November
officially.
1183 Charlie, contact Palm Beach approach 125.2.
25-2 for 1183 Charlie. Thank you, good day. Approach 1183 Charlie, level 4000, direct Papa Hotel Kilo.
November 1183 Charlie, Thomas approach.
The wind is blowing, let me tell you. There's white caps in the water. But we're getting a good tailwind out of it.
Might hit this, see what happens. Oh shit. Yeah, this is why I don't hit that button. Yeah, why would an autopilot ever take a turn like that? I hit the nav intercept button and it decided that it was going to dive to the left.
The fighter jet.
Yeah. What the hell? Are you trying to snap the wing, you piece of actual
Fort Lauderdale, exec mission Quebec, time 1352 Zulu, wind 33013, gust to 19. Visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 18, dew point 14, altimeter 3008. GPS 27 approaching use, landing and departing runway 27 and 31. Land hold short operations in effect, runway 27, 3,000 feet available, so it's short of runway 31. Runway 31, 3,250 feet available, so it's short of runway 27. Checking crane, 419 south, southwest approach, runway 31, 1 feet AGL flag. Taxi runway closed. Run the pattern 27 closed. Taxi Sierra.
You have a wheel over there still?
Yep, jet 699, 5
Our heat, cow flaps closed. Man, look at that water.
Is there somebody behind me, Brett?
Landing light, autopilot. Off, seatbelts. Good up, good up. Yep.
No, 83, Charlie, turn right, heading 180.
180, 83 Charlie. He literally gave us a 180-degree turn.
Yep, I knew it. Rather than doing the whole... No.
Yeah, but he's gonna do it. Like he's gonna.
Oh yeah, he's totally gonna do it.
Three Charlie, you're 3 miles from Koki, turn right heading 240, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer. I'm sorry. 83 Charlie, you're 2 miles from Koki, turn right heading 290, maintain 1500 until established, final approach course cleared, RNAV, runway 27 approach.
Right 240, maintain 1500 until established, cleared RNAV 27, 83 Charlie.
290.
83 Charlie, thank you. Heading 290 to intercept, that's fine.
290, 83 Charlie, sorry about that.
This angle is going to work, by the way, so...
83 Charlie, contact executive tower 120.9.
Over to tower, 183 Charlie, good day. Executive tower, 183 Charlie, on the RNAV 27.
November 1183 Charlie, executive tower, runway 27, clear to land. Wind 35011, gust 22.
Thank you for the wind information, cleared to land 27, 183 Charlie.
We're a beam Koki now, so down to 780 at SAC.
Okay. And you intercepted, or you're getting there. You're intercepting. Sorry.
According to me, like from my perception, I'm looking inside. I'm intercepted. How does it look out there? Oh, I'm gonna look there then. See, it says something different there.
Yeah. Ignore that. I'll get that fixed.
Yeah. Alright, going down to 780. Just follow down to minimums. A second.
Take the tower, get it. 1908 Foxtrot, 2,500, about 7 to the south of Quebec.
Minimums.
November 190 Foxtrot executive tower, enter left base runway 27, runway 27, clear to land.
At a left base 27, cleared 127, 190 Foxtrot.
November 903 Charlie Delta executive tower, landing traffic.
903 Charlie Delta holding.
Nice. That crosswind, that was really.
Thank you. Still having to dance on these damn rudders.
And tower will be going to the pilot shop 8 through Charlie.
November 83 Charlie, Roger, turn left at Bravo and contact ground.
Left Bravo, contact ground 8 through Charlie.
Although I don't see Bravo.
It's down there, I think.
Oh, okay.
Right northwest approved, 903 Charlie Delta, clear to takeoff.
Ground control, November 118 through Charlie, it's clear 27 at Bravo, looking for the FBO.
Morning, sir.
I wasn't seeing Kilo on my way, so before I move, let me...
Request engine start.
Takeoff Charlie Oscar Charlie, that's a non-controlled area, so you start your engines when you like and let me know when you're ready to taxi out.
So here's how this works. You do your thing.
No problem.
And let me know when you're ready for me to do my thing.
Right. I'm busy. You heard me talking to 5 people, so you should just...
Shut up.
Yeah. Go away for a while, please.
Nice crosswind correction there. Doesn't go unnoticed.
I'm more concerned about my nose wheel, but but yeah.
No, I think you should be more concerned about impressing on Billy. That matters more.
Okay, number FIA Papa Lima is a Piper Cheyenne. I'm going to Anning Sano Jet Center
look at that.
and Charlie 2. I have to go to Quebec. Ramp.
Number 8 Papa Lima, taxi via Charlie Alpha, hold short of runway 13.
Charlie Alpha, hold short, runway 13. November 5 Papa Lima. Thank you.
Okay.
Look at those cars here.
Ferrari.
Straight to his plane. And the Pilatus here, which is...
They're going to park us in the back. We're an embarrassment.
This Seminole requesting Northwest, say again your call sign.
That's Seminole 244 Alpha Tango with Quebec to the northwest.